everyone, Candy Dawn. Welcome back to my channel. So in a previous video, I did a review and showed you guys how I installed a halo hair extension. So for this video, another company actually reached out and sent me another hair extension. So I figured what I would do for this video is I would show you guys exactly how I blend my natural hair in with the extension, just because my hair is a little bit shorter, and with longer hair extensions it can be a little bit more difficult to disguise where your natural hair stops with the hair extension. So this is probably my favorite method to use. So hairs.com sent me this beautiful Remy 100% human hair halo hair extension, and look how long this is. I think it's like 22 or 24 inches. It's crazy. It's so beautiful, feels super soft, super elegant. But can we just talk about this color match? Like, look how spot on that is. Even the root fading here, so beautiful. That is one of the strengths of this company, is they do a free color matching service for you. They also gifted me this beautiful, gorgeous wig travel case. So I just love that it's so blingy and sparkly. So they do sell these on their website too. And they also sent me a hair clip, some extra clips, and also a comb. So just a disclaimer, hairs.com is sponsoring this video, so they did send me this hair complimentary, and they did want me to give out a discount code for my followers. So the code candy15 will give you 15% off any orders over $30, and I will make a small commission off of that. So before we jump into this hair tutorial, if you're not already done so, please make sure you subscribe to my channel by hitting the red button down below, as well as the bell icon. That way you don't miss out on any future videos. So let's jump right in. I'm going to show you exactly how I blend my short hair in with this beautiful long hair extension. So first thing I did was I went and pinned up half of my hair, so just maybe about an inch or so above your ear. Pin up half of your hair. Then you're going to take your halo hair extension and just place it over top. What I do like about this extension here is the adjustable wire. So it did come a little bit loose on me, so I tightened it up. So we're just placing that directly over. And then I'm going to wiggle in those hair clips so that it stays in place. And then we're going to take down the top half of our hair. And then just brush everything out so that you get it all nice and smooth and blended. I just can't get over the color match on this. Like, it's incredible. As you can see, when I'm wearing the hair extension just long and straight like this, it's really difficult to blend your shorter hair. Like, it's very noticeable where my natural hair begins and ends. So I'm going to go in with my NUME Octowand set, which is honestly like one of my favorite heating tools. The reason I like it and why it's called the Octowand, let me show you. So with this product, you get 8 different hair attachments, so all different types of curling barrels. So whether you want thick curls, thin curls, beach waves, there's an array of options here. This is my like go-to. It's my jam. Like, seriously, I love this product. So you just pick which barrel you're going to use. I'm probably going to go with this one here, and then you just stick it into the attachment. Just gonna make sure it lines up, lock it in place, and this thing literally heats up in under a minute. So I do have a discount code for the Octowand as well, which is candydawn25, which will get you 25% off. I'm going to put links for all these products down below in the description box. I also did a previous video showing the Octowand and all the different styles that you can create with it, so I'm going to put that video link down below for you guys as well. So I find curling your hair is honestly one of the easiest and most beautiful ways to blend your natural hair in with your hair extensions. So all I do is I kind of just separate my hair in half, and I bring each part forward. What I do is then I just start taking pieces of my hair and wrapping it around the barrel, whatever barrel you chose. We'll give that a few seconds. And then once I finish one curl, I just kind of toss it behind me. And then I just keep working my way around. Now, I'm only going to do a few strips for you so you can get like kind of the gist and the idea, because we will literally be here forever because this is a lot of hair. So with the magic of editing, I will come right back when everything is completely curled. And there you have it. Look at how beautiful and gorgeous this hair looks. I mean, you can still see a little bit of where my hair, you know, begins and ends, but I just feel like it looks much more seamless when you curl your hair. I still can't get over the quality and color of this hair. It is so beautiful. I feel like Christine from Selling Sunset with this hair. Now I just need her body. Oh my God. Love it. I mean, it's all about like fiddling with your hair, brushing it, like moving the pieces around, just getting it to blend a little bit better, pull some curls apart. It'll blend a lot more seamlessly, but like this is honestly the best method. I like even pulling all the hair over to one side too, just to make it look even more thicker and fuller, and again, still helps it blend a little bit better too, but so I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial on how to blend your shorter hair with your longer hair extensions. Super quick and easy. All you do, curl your hair. Like I said, all links for products and discount codes will be down below in the description box. Make sure you are checking out some of my other videos. Those links will be down below for you guys as well. Give the video a thumbs up. Feel free to share as well. Comment down below anything. Tell me your Christmas plans. Have you done all your shopping yet? I'm completely done, so I'm stress-free right now at this point, so I'm so happy about that. If you do want to see any of my beauty or my fashion looks, make sure you are following me on social media at candydawnamber, and I will see you guys next time.